Ever felt like your client management is a chaotic mess of spreadsheets, emails, and sticky notes? You're not alone. So many businesses, especially when starting out, struggle to keep track of their clients efficiently. And in that chaos, things get missed, invoices go unpaid, communication breaks down, and client relationships suffer. That's why having a solid system for managing your clients is absolutely crucial, and that's what we're talking about today. Specifically, we're diving into how to create a client in Xero, a powerful accounting software that can seriously streamline your business. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's talk a little bit about why this is so important. Think about it. Your clients are the lifeblood of your business. Without them, you have no business. So, managing them effectively isn't just a good idea, it's essential for survival and growth. When you have a clear, organized system for storing client information, you can easily access their contact details, track their purchase history, monitor outstanding invoices, and personalize your communication. This not only saves you time and reduces stress, but it also helps you build stronger relationships with your clients, leading to increased loyalty and repeat business. Xero is a fantastic tool for this because it brings all your client information into one central location. No more scrambling through files or trying to remember where you saved that crucial email. Everything is at your fingertips, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Plus, Xero integrates with a ton of other business apps, further simplifying your workflows. So, are you ready to ditch the chaos and take control of your client management? Let's get into it. Creating a client in Xero is actually a pretty straightforward process, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Xero account. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. Now, look for the Contacts menu. It's usually located at the top of the screen, but the exact location might vary slightly depending on your Xero version. Click on Contacts, and you'll be taken to the Contacts overview page. On this page, you'll see a list of all your existing contacts, if you have any. To add a new client, click the Add Contact button. This will open a new window or section where you can enter the client's information. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a form to fill out. The most important fields are the contact name and email address. These are essential for identifying your client and communicating with them. Make sure you enter this information accurately. Next, you have the contact number field. While not strictly required, it's highly recommended to include a phone number for your client. This gives you another way to reach them and can be especially useful for time-sensitive matters. After that, you'll see the organization name field. If your client is a business, enter the name of their company here. If they're an individual, you can leave this field blank or enter their full name again. Now, let's talk about the postal address and street address fields. These are important for sending invoices and other physical correspondence. While you might not need a physical address for every client, it's always a good idea to have it on file, especially if you're dealing with larger businesses or sending physical products. One of the great things about Xero is that you can add multiple contacts for the same organization. This is incredibly useful if you're dealing with a company that has different departments or individuals you need to communicate with. To do this, simply add another contact within the same organization. Xero will automatically link them together. As you scroll down the form, you'll see some additional fields, such as website, Skype name, and notes. These are optional, but they can be helpful for keeping track of additional information about your client. For example, you might use the Notes field to record specific preferences or any special arrangements you have with the client. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click the Save button. Congratulations! You've just created a new client in Xero. It's that simple. Now that you've added your client, you can start using Xero's other features to manage your relationship with them. For example, you can create and send invoices, track payments, and even generate reports on your sales and revenue. But creating a client is just the first step. The real power of Xero comes from how you use it to manage your client interactions over time. Regularly updating client information, tracking communication, and using Xero's reporting features can give you valuable insights into your client base and help you make better business decisions. One tip I would give you is to use tags. Tags are a great way to categorize your clients based on different criteria, such as industry, location, or product they purchased. This makes it easy to segment your client base and target specific groups with tailored marketing campaigns or promotions. Another powerful feature is the ability to attach files to client records. This is incredibly useful for storing contracts, proposals, or any other relevant documents related to your client. No more searching through filing cabinets or hard drives. Everything is neatly organized within Xero. And let's not forget about Xero's mobile app. This allows you to access your client information and manage your business on the go. You can even create and send invoices from your phone, which is incredibly convenient for busy entrepreneurs. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to create a client in Xero. As you can see, it's a relatively simple process, but the benefits of having a centralized client management system are huge. By taking the time to set up your clients in Xero, you'll be well on your way to streamlining your business, improving your client relationships, and ultimately, increasing your profits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.